What is up, guys?
What is up, guys? Here we are at back at my place. We're gonna do the blindfold oil challenge. See how that goes. Chris is here to help me record. You know, yeah, let's go outside. Transition.
What you doing?
Jacking it up.
Hey man, but you said you were gonna do this blindfolded though.
Hold on.
Fuck, man.
Oh my god, it's fucking freezing.
Dog. Don't burn yourself.
Burn off.
The fucking hot ass oil.
It's not hot anymore.
Well, it's still gonna be, you know, kind of hot. Oh, you got a monster truck now. Hold on.
Okay. Then you gotta push the car.
Like you want it to fucking.
You want to leave your jack there?
Yeah.
Just checking the size.
I'm not cheating.
Now you're fucking cheating, dog.
Oh, I don't think I'm fucking size, dude. Oh, thank the Lord.
Is that one?
Yes.
Sick.
All right, let's get it. Hold on, wait. I need to get the oil, fool.
Put your thong on.
All right, guys.
Oh,
Put on
doctor, what are you
gloves
gonna do to
'cause
me?
It's gonna get pretty dirty. Been over, Chris.
All right.
Dude, I got medium gloves. These don't even fit.
They don't fit you?
They barely fit. There you go.
Medium gloves for a medium man. There you go.
Okay. All right, guys. I have everything I need now.
Yeah.
Oh man! Oh, you need a timer. Is your
Timer?
phone charged?
All right, you're gonna.
It's gonna take like 20 minutes.
I don't know about that. Well,
Yeah.
yeah, it'll probably
Wait,
take
a
like 20 minutes.
stopwatch or a timer?
A stopwatch.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah, there you go. So just start it whenever I put this on.
Yeah. Wait, do you want me to
Can I do
open the
that?
hood for you? Or
No, I got it, dude. That's
You got
that's
it?
part of the It just said everything there. Got all my stuff.
All that shit.
Fuck, bro. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Ready?
Go.
All right, let's get it. Closer, closer.
Wait, don't
Wait,
tell
that-
me. Wait.
yeah.
All right. Ah, shit, dog.
Yeah, you got it. You got it, bud.
This is gonna be the hard part, dog.
Oh, you're not gonna get this, bro.
No,
down.
wait, don't. What?
Left. Down. No. Down. More. A little bit more.
Oh, right there. Okay. Where did I went?
No, I'm just no. You didn't have to open your hood right now, but okay. A little bit further, man. A little bit further.
What is this?
That's your
Oh,
wheel.
it's a wheel. Wait, I'm gonna get the fucking wrench.
All right, but you're not on the right side.
Okay, wait. Dog, this is so hard. Okay, wait.
Hold on.
Give me a sec. Oh, wait. I found it.
Yeah, you got it
I
right.
found it.
Okay, you might want to push it a little bit further into a little bit further in. Not in. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah. Okay, that should be good.
Why are you cheating, man?
I'm not cheating. I'm just trying to help
You're
you because I don't want.
cheating,
All right, whatever. 20 minutes, my ass.
No!
All right, there.
It's already been 2 minutes.
I loosen it up. Okay.
Yeah, just keep going. Yep. Ah, I stopped.
All right, dude. This is really easy to lose, bro. Put it somewhere.
Ah, you hit the phone.
I did. Oh, why you ain't close, dog?
Cause I want to get the fucking
All right, here's
egg,
the
bro.
tire. It's gonna be right here. All right. What is this? Okay.
What are you looking for? Oh, my pants. Fuck.
All right, this is the hatch. I was just.
No.
Oh, right here.
Don't want to put that in right now though.
I know. I'm just so you can drain faster. Okay, that's gonna be right there.
All right, yeah.
And then, dude, damn.
You forgot to take the filter off.
I know. Wait, I'm trying to look for the filter.
No. I can't say anything anymore because you told me I was cheating.
All right, help me out. Where's the thing?
I already
It's
told you.
near your knee. That's on the floor.
Oh, there it is. You gotta need this, and then maybe the wrench. Oh fuck!
No. Just scoop back.
Just lay down.
Oh, got it! Dude, the filter's gonna be so hard.
Oh my god.
Do you know where the filter is?
Yeah, it's on the right side. It's around here.
Can I see it from the top?
Yeah, it's like behind the headers.
Behind the headers, huh? What color is it? Because I can't see it. Black. Black?
Yes.
Oh, fuck.
Dude.
Oh, nah, dog. You're on the wrong side.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Dude, it's on the right side.
The right side of the car, and you're on the right side facing it.
Am I? What do you mean?
You're on the
You're on the
left.
left.
You're on the driver's side. It's on the passenger side.
No freaking way, dude.
Yes.
Wait,
Good
oh,
line.
It's right there.
All right, dog. Wait.
Y'all see that shit, right? Like, it's right there.
I'm completely blind right now, dog.
You're blind, so you forgot how to do
What
it.
the fuck is happening?
Dude, I thought I was on the left side.
Here, come here. Give me your hand. I'll help you with this. Just this one part. No. Your right hand. I mean, your left hand. Hold this. Hold this with the other hand.
What? Hold
Don't-
what?
Put everything down from this hand. Give me your hand. Come here. Give me your hand. Come here. Give me. I'm gonna make you reach for it, okay?
This shit right here. Okay.
Won't focus.
This
Focus.
shit. Wait, hold on. Hold on, move. Move do it.
Yeah, right there. All right, sweet. Are you undoing it?
Yes.
Then you didn't tighten it right.
No, it's hand tight, fool. It's not supposed to be.
All right, whatever. Hurry up, just take it out.
Dude. But the fucking that's why I do at the bottom because maybe oil's gonna come out.
A little bit comes out, yeah.
Dude, did my hair is filled with oil?
No.
Oh.
It's little. It's like white shit.
Okay.
All right. See.
Yeah, I'm not learning how to do this. You're gonna forever do this.
You got it.
How many minutes has it been?
8.
We've been recording for 9, so
It's been 8.
almost 10 minutes.
Dang, I need the plastic thing. Should I do a little bit with this?
With what? With the old one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Up. Can we do it again? Do it again. Hold up. Yeah, right there. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, fuck yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yep. Force that shit. If it doesn't fit, make it fit. I think dude, you lose like all sense of direction when you're blindfolded.
Yeah, dude, this is hard.
What are your thoughts? How's he doing?
It's funny.
Yeah? Yeah, so yeah, that means you're doing bad, dog. Nah, I'm kidding. You're doing good. 11 minutes. Yeah, you should be done in
It's going in. It's going in.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, let's see the oilage. All right, it stopped. All right.
It stopped. Oh, good.
Yeah, it stopped. It stopped?
Yeah.
Let's see. Let's see. Get up. Check this out. All right, you did it. Let's get it.
Okay, step over. There you go. Wait, now step over. There you go.
All right.
Oh, you got oil on your
Oh,
butt.
I'll clean it later. All right. Here's this. That's right next to it. Okay. Got it.
Yep. We're a little bit more. It's on the other side of it.
I know. Dude, I'm so blind right now, dude. What?
What do you mean that's
Right there. Oh, perfect.
Ah, I got oil on my nose.
Man, bro, you're a car now.
All right. Got this. Where is it? Oh, I found the hole.
You found it? Slip it in, dog.
Get out of your nose. It's literally in
Oh,
the
dude, it's going
nostril.
in your nostrils. That's gross.
The right one.
Dude, that's nasty. Give me some fucking paper, dude. There's paper inside the car, dude. Get it.
Let me call. Reach out to your dick.
How long has it been?
Oh, 14 minutes.
No, 11.
Well, all right. Well,
13. Because remember you started recording a minute before.
oh, you're right. I think that's good?
Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
All right.
You can pour it in there.
Oh, man, your shit
Go,
dirty
go
now.
for it.
The oil?
Yes, dog.
Right there, down, no, down. There you go.
Right?
What are you looking for now?
The
Oh,
funnel.
it's right there.
Let's get it. What is this? Oh, that's my.
It's your headlight.
Yep. Let's get it. Right there.
Wait, oh god.
Do you want me?
No,
Are you
let's
gonna
go,
hold?
let's go.
You're gonna
Yeah,
hold
yeah,
it?
yeah.
All right. So how do you feel so far? How do you think you're doing?
Pretty good, dude. Pretty good.
Yeah? I think you're gonna make it before 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, you think so?
Hell yeah, dude. Yeah.
I don't know, man.
You're 14 right now.
Yeah.
Okay. What's out?
Right, go, back. Right.
All right. So now basically all you gotta do is hold the funnel, and just pour it in. All right.
There's a funnel.
It's right there. All right.
I'm gonna put my thumb right there so when it gets full, I know.
Yeah. Okay.
It's like pouring milk.
Stop.
There?
No.
Pour more.
Go
Go.
on. You want
It's not even coming out the thing.
I know it's not. I'm just waiting for you guys. Do I pour more?
Yes. Go. Push it back a little bit. Push it back. Oh, I have.
Is it going in?
No.
Dog.
Hold up.
It's gonna.
It's about to go. It's about to go.
It's
Yeah.
gonna.
Go. Pour. Forward. Right there.
Dog.
Yeah. Keep going.
I'm so fascinated.
Dude, I don't know what's going on.
You're good. Just keep going. You're good. Oh, it's starting to fill up.
Ah! No, it's not. Fucking liar. Don't fuck with me, bro.
No, it was. It's filling up. I swear to God, it was.
Dude, no, it's not.
Yes, it is.
My thumb is right here.
It's filling up.
Oh!
See, that's why I fucking told you early. You wanted to let it hit your fucking thumb. Pour it
fuck.
again.
Wait, is this good right here?
Yeah.
More?
Yeah.
Dude, my arm's getting fucking tired, bro.
You put the whole thing, right?
Yes.
All right.
Oh, fuck, it hit my finger.
Cause you're pouring it on your
Why
fingers.
is your finger in there?
You're pouring it on your.
Yeah, dude, it's getting on your fucking, like, you're lubed.
My fingers?
Yeah.
I don't give a fuck, dude. It's cool. As long as it's
I
on
don't know
my
why you
fingers.
took your gloves off.
Put it that way, right there.
Right there?
Yeah.
Don't touch it, kid. You're cheating.
I'm not touching it.
Are you sure you weren't touching it right now?
No.
I swear I felt you grab it, bro. Alright.
Dog, my hand is like, all right, slow. No. When I say slow, it doesn't mean stop. It just means go slower. Is that it?
Yeah, I gotta get the
Is
cap
he
now.
finished?
I gotta get the cap. Is it still drippy?
A little bit.
Alright.
Okay, the funnel's good. You can leave it there if you want to just grab the towel and then just like.
18 minutes.
No, I'm not done yet. Don't stop me.
He's not done.
I'm not.
Oh, okay.
Staying with your.
The video's at 20. Her thing's at 18.
Alright, I gotta find this myself, okay?
You gonna find it yourself?
Yes. I found it. Dog, I
Use your
can't
lever,
fucking find it, bro.
No, you say you gotta find it yourself.
Go to the
Oh,
left.
it's right here.
Go to the left.
Oh, it's right here.
Damn.
Oh, dog. There?
Yeah. You're done.
Alright, what was my time?
19 and 1.
Hey, let's get it.
Fuck. That shit was hard, dude. Well, that's the end of the vlog, guys. Hope you guys liked this. Hope it was entertaining for you guys. At the end of the day, it's just a challenge, quick vlog about me changing my oil with doing it blindfold and stuff.
My time was 19 minutes with 1 second. Not that good, It was kind of hard getting the filter. Huh, Chris?
It's kind of hard pouring the oil too, wasn't it?
Yeah, that was hard.
Alright, so I bought this one new board. I'm me putting all my goals on here, what I want to accomplish and stuff. And all I can think about right now is get 1,000 subscribers. It's a little... I feel like I can do it. I just gotta be more dedicated and stuff to this YouTube thing, make more videos and stuff, make more content for you guys, interesting things for you guys. And yeah, my first goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers. I believe I could do it. I just gotta stay dedicated and put hard work into this. So hope you guys like this. Please like, comment, and subscribe.